unilateral chest press. So we're gonna start both arms straight up towards the ceiling, and we're gonna go single arm to lower. So we're gonna inhale as I lower one side down, exhale to punch back up, inhale to lower, exhale to punch back up. If you need more of a rest between each rep, feel free to alternate until you build up a little bit more endurance so that you can then be able to continuously stay on one side to build up more strength before switching to the other side for your second round. Incline push-up here. So I'm beginning with my hands a little bit wider than shoulder distance apart. My feet are hip distance apart. I'm keeping that long line from my head to my pelvis. I'm gonna inhale as I lower my chest to the table. Exhale to push all the way back up. Inhale to lower. My elbows are out on about a 30-degree angle. Exhale to come back up. Be thoughtful that as you lower down, you're not jutting your head here. Hold that imaginary peach or orange underneath your chin and maintain that as you press back up. If you notice that it's difficult to lower all the way down, feel free to walk the feet in a little bit more so you're slightly more vertical. That's going to give a bit more support. To challenge it, we're gonna walk out a little bit further, or we can even go lower on another surface to challenge the body until eventually being able to bring it all the way down onto the floor. Lateral to front raises. You're gonna start with your feet in that shoulder distance apart position. Also, feel free to take that option of a split stance if that feels more comfortable for you. You're gonna keep that head stacked right over your rib cage, over the pelvis, over the heels. You're gonna inhale as you press the arms up to shoulder height, being sure that we're not shrugging the shoulders in the process. And then close the arms to front, slowly lower back down. So again, palms face in as you press up, close the thumbs towards center, lower all the way down. So again, with the breath, we inhale, exhale, and lower. Inhale, exhale, lower. If you notice that your body wants to shift a lot back and forth as you do this motion, I would recommend then taking that more split stance until you have a little bit more core connection to give you that stability to be able to do it in that parallel stance position. Hip hinge, tricep kickback. So you're gonna take your feet into that shoulder distance apart position. You're gonna hinge at your hips, send that pelvis back. Arms are gonna go long by your side here. Make sure that you have that nice long connection from your head all the way to your tailbone so you're nice and neutral throughout. You're gonna inhale here, exhale to pull back and then kick the arms back, bend the elbow and return. That intermediate rest as you reach the arms back through can be your level 1 here if you need that support. If you're feeling stronger today, you can pull, keep that connection of the upper back as you exhale to kick back. Inhale to come in, exhale to kick back, inhale to come in. Be thoughtful that as you pull here that you're not letting those shoulders shrug or round through the front. Think about opening those collarbones down and back, maintaining that position, and then kicking back from there. If you're not able to maintain that position of openness across the front, and that's a sign that you likely have weight that's too heavy for you right now, pick up a weight that allows you to stay open across the front and keep that connection in your upper back. And then as you get stronger, you can upgrade to a heavier weight. Upright row. You're gonna start with both feet shoulder distance apart. Weights are gonna start right in front, palms facing behind you. You're gonna inhale here, exhale to pull the weights up towards your shoulders, being thoughtful that you're not shrugging in the process. So shoulder blades down and back, squeezing those shoulder blades behind you, and then inhale to slowly lower. So almost imagine like you're picking up a box off of the floor and then slowly lowering back down. So again, as we pull up, we want to make sure that we're not thrusting our pelvis forward or jutting our head forward in order to pull. That nice long line from our head down to our heels needs to stay intact as we pull up, which means that we're maintaining that core connection throughout.